Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Onedaysaving. They did send these items for review, so thank you to Onedaysavings. Let's move the stuff to the side. Let's do this one. This one should be a special shape. Yeah. It's a special shape diamond painting with ordinary toolkit. Like I said, special shapes here. And here it is. It's this cute little penguin with a scarf and beanie here. It's cute. Looks like there is 7 colors here. All the symbols look like, well, there's not that many, so how hard can it be? How hard can this be? Famous last words. Symbol clarity, I think, looks nice here. It's cute. This should be a nice, fun one to do. And this one is $4.97 on the website. And the image is 24 by 33. And it's a partial, so it's not the full drill, but I think it's cute. And these are fun to do when you need that win in between your massive diamond paintings. Because I think I'm becoming one of those people who's starting to do these bigger diamond paintings. And I'm like, why am I doing these big diamond paintings? So, some purple, bigger purple drills, some clear ones here, some blues, lots of blues here. And then some yellow, and then these are like a pearled AB drill here. All right. Next thing. This one is a round drill diamond painting. So, ordinary toolkit here. Like I said, round drills. And here it is. It's a gingerbread man soaking in hot cocoa, I guess. Yeah, you know, like the hot cocoa is, or maybe it's coffee. Hot cocoa or coffee. It's his like hot tub, right? And it says Happy Holidays here. It's cute. There is 19 colors in this. All the symbols look like they're letters here. Symbol clarity. Pretty nice. You only wish, like, you might be seeing the, I don't know, depending on what device you're watching this on, if you're watching it like on your TV, the symbols are so big, right? They're huge, huge when they're zoomed in that much. And this is $5.46 on the website, and it is 24.5 by 34.5. Drills here. So blue, reds, greens, some of these more beigey colors here. Some more greens, reds, and some oranges here. See, now I kind of want gingerbread cookie. Right. Next thing, we'll do this one here. This is a wreath. right. So ordinary toolkit, except it does have the string. Looks like. I'm going to take out the string so that looks like string to hold it onto here. And it's this wreath here. Has a snowman. I guess I could move you down. Has a snowman here. There's like a little like house scene here. And then a snowman. There's a bird, it looks like here. And this wreath. It's $10.10 on the website, and across it's about 25 centimeters, and then this way is about 30 centimeters. Oop. And wait, did I zoom in? Like you see, there's the little house there. If it'll zoom, if it'll focus. Well, that might be focused. Yeah, it's not. It's kind of just a. And symbols are all numbers, it looks like. Right, let's look at the drills. It looks like some big teardrops here, some blue drills, some big round, more teardrops. Are these the same? Nope, it's a smaller size. And then, so it looks like 3 sizes of this teardrop there. Some clear, blue, red, and it looks like regular black drills there. Should do it that way so I can see the part number, although I won't know what part number this is. So that doesn't help. I should write on it because this is the clear plastic here, so I'm gonna write HH067 so that if the drills and this get separated, I'll know what it is. But I do plan to do this for the end of the video, so they shouldn't be separated long. See, this is why I said this thing needs to go with my drills, otherwise I'm gonna lose it. There. And next thing. Okay. Last thing is these coasters. I have apparently I'm not done with doing coasters because I did a whole bunch previously and I was like, ooh, I want to do those coasters. So, all right, so it comes with ordinary toolkit, except it comes with a couple baggies. And this is one of those ones where you're gonna have to construct the holder. I did one previously, and there should be 8. Is it 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 coasters here. And it's another mandala set because I really enjoyed my previous mandala set. And if you like mandalas, these are nice, fun ones to do. They're not like the full drill one, and you could still get the mandala effect. So here's this one here. It looks like all the symbols are numbers. I see number 20 here, so there could possibly be 20 colors. There's this one. That one. Oh, this one's, I like this one. Well, I don't know. Sometimes you can't tell what it's going to look like until the drills are on there. And they're not all like round. They have these different shapes. And this one does not come with the cork backing, because some of them have come with that. This one's a nice one here too. I like this one. There. And there. You know what? Since this is the last one I'm showing on this part, I'm gonna just kind of put them here so that I could have them shown at the end of the video kind of thing. There you go. I'm already setting it up for the end. Let's look at the drills here. So some clear reds, pinks, yellows, greens. Oh, I really like that kind of blue. Are these the same color? No, these are 10 and 11 are slightly different. And thus 12. They kind of look the same, these three here. Oh, I like this blue. Some purples. I like this green. It's a nice green. And then some yellow and pink. Oh, and did I say how much this is? Maybe. It's $12.97. And each one is about 10 centimeters wide. That's what we'll go for. Not do the round one as my gauge. Right. So, let me move you up. Up. Apparently me moving you up meant I was askew. So, there. Here's the gingerbread. Here's the wreath. And, well, let's put in, well, I have more space that way. More space that way. Wreath and the penguin. Alright, I'm going to be working on some of the stuff to show at the end of the video, and I'll see you later. Okay, I'm back, and the penguin is done. It's cute. It's cute. I did like how everything is like nicely outlined, and I like the special. I like how I think this was rendered really nicely for, you know, what it is. So this had 7 colors. One was an AB, 4 crystal rhinestones, and 2 specials. And I don't think I said anything. There was guide circles, which you can actually see. I'm not sure if you could tell. See, there's a red guide circle under this blue thing. Of course, why they use red, I don't know. So you do see the red guide circles on the scarf here. And otherwise, everything was just normal. And this took me 1 hour and 3 minutes to complete. So yeah, I thought that turned out cute. If you forget about the guide circles. And let's see. I also finished the wreath here. So this is about a 25 by 30 with 10 colors. One is a regular round drill, 5 crystal rhinestones, and 4 specials. This took me 1 hour and 10 minutes to complete. And there is some excess stick here. I have not sealed it yet. You'll hear me in a lot of these more winter ones where I'm like, I am delaying my sealing because I can't do the spray sealing because it's too cold out there. And so yeah. Otherwise, I think it turned out really pretty. I really like the snowflake here. It turned like the snowflake with these specials. I think it's rendered very beautifully. I really like the specials. Yeah, I like the specials. Sometimes when they have these specials with just rhinestones alone, just the regular size rhinestone, I'm like, no, it needs some specials. And I thought this one made great use of the specials. There. All right. And like I said, since I didn't seal it, I have not put the cord in here. I should take the cord out and put that in with my other stuff so that when I just need a cord, I'll just put it in at some point after I seal it. There's that one. And I finished the mandalas. Here, the mandalas, they're about a 10 centimeter diameter. There was 20 colors in this, and they were all crystal rhinestones. I will take the no specials. Actually, I kind of wish there were specials, but I think for coasters, it probably is a good thing there's no specials. Otherwise, it won't be flat. So there was 20 crystal rhinestones. I thought the rendering was good. There is some excess stick on the sides here. Like, look, you could lift it up with the excess stick there. And this took me 3 hours and 27 minutes to complete over 2 days. So here is this one. This one, I think this one turned out really nice here. I really like the colors on this one. It has purple. Oop, I have extra drill. Extra drill. That's the problem when extra drill there. I like the colors of this one. Has a nice blue green and some purple. Here's this one here. And this one. These mandala ones are really fun to do, and I think I kind of prefer them in this small size here. It feels like they're more full drill, and there, and this one here. All right, so in anticipation of the end where I'm showing everything here is that there, and perhaps that way. All right, yeah, I fail at making this pretty. There, just not enough space on my table. All right, so that's all the finishes I'm showing for this video. So thank you very much to Onedaysaving for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.